Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John. How about you?
I am Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary.
Me too.
Where are you from?
I am from London. How about you?
I am from Canada.
What's your job?
I am a photographer.
Are you married?
No, I'm single, and you?
I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know.
What are your hobbies?
I like traveling and reading books. How about you?
Singing and swimming.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, English and French.
Where is your family?
They live in Spain.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I often go to Spain.
What did you do yesterday?
I played games with my friends.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park.
Is the park near here?
Yes, it's opposite the fitness center.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to gym 5 times a week.
Can you help me with exercising?
Of course.
Is bicycle yours?
Yes, it is mine.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question?
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow our channel.